In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to update your payment details, adjust your plan, and review your billing history so there are no surprises on your invoice. Let's start by getting to the right place in your account. From anywhere in QuickBooks Online, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This area is where you control most of your company-level preferences, including your subscription details. Once Account and Settings is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Subscriptions and Billing. This is your central hub for everything related to what you're paying for and how you're paying for it. In this section, you'll see a payment method area. To make changes, click the little pencil icon next to it. That opens up your billing details so you can update your credit card number, expiration date, security code, or your billing address. Take a moment to double-check that everything is accurate because outdated or incorrect information can lead to failed payments and service interruptions. You may also see an option called Intuit Wallet. This lets you store and manage payment methods that can be used across multiple Intuit products, not just QuickBooks Online. If you use more than one Intuit service, it can be helpful to keep your cards updated in one place so changes automatically apply where needed. Next, let's talk about managing your actual subscription plan. In the same subscriptions and billing area, locate the widget that shows your active QuickBooks Online subscription. Here, you'll see a link such as Change Plan, Upgrade Plan, or Downgrade Plan, depending on your current setup. Click that link to open the plan selection screen. You'll be guided through choosing a new plan, reviewing what's included, and seeing any pricing changes before you confirm. Take the time to read the summary so you know how the change will affect your next billing cycle. Back on the main subscriptions and billing page, you can also review your billing overview. You'll see upcoming charges, and there's a link labeled View Payment History that lets you look back at previous invoices and payments. This is especially useful if you need to reconcile charges or share documentation with your accountant. Finally, in this same area, you'll notice widgets for other services linked to your account, such as payroll or additional add-ons. Click any of those to manage their individual subscriptions, review their billing, or make changes as needed, all from one centralized place.